Feeling stuck in a financial rut? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to getting loans through or related to PayPal. First, let's talk about PayPal Working Capital. This is a loan directly from PayPal, available to eligible PayPal business account holders. Eligibility hinges on your PayPal sales history. You'll need a solid track record of processing payments through PayPal to qualify. To check if you're eligible, log into your PayPal business account. Look for the Working Capital section, often found under Finance or Offers. If available, you'll see the loan amounts you can borrow and the associated fees. This option is known for its simple application and repayment process, directly linked to your PayPal sales. Next, explore alternative lending platforms that integrate with PayPal. Services like Cabbage, Bluevine, and Fundbox can often provide loans by assessing your PayPal transaction history. This provides them with a snapshot of your business's financial health. These platforms often offer more flexible terms and potentially higher loan amounts than PayPal Working Capital. Do your research and compare interest rates, repayment schedules, and eligibility requirements across different platforms. Finally, regardless of the lending option you choose, a strong business plan is key. Outline your loan purpose, how you'll use the funds, and your repayment strategy. This will significantly increase your chances of approval, whether you're applying through PayPal or an alternative lender. By understanding your options and preparing strategically, you can leverage PayPal-related lending to fuel your business growth or manage personal expenses. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips.